Hello everyone. Today we'll be creating text highlighter. So what it does is, whatever the text that is displayed, we can highlight the important text that we want. That is the project. It is very simple project. We'll be making use of HTML, CSS and JavaScript for this. So initially what I'll do is, I'll just create the HTML file. Also, I'll be creating CSS file. So what I'll do is, in the index.html, I'll just create a basic HTML template and change the name to text highlighter. And we'll start writing the HTML code. So first what I'll do is, I'll just take the parent div. I'll just give the ID of name text container. So next thing what I'll be doing is, I'll just take the p tag. So here I'll just paste the lorem ipsum test. For it, what you have to do is just search for lorem ipsum test. So it's a random text generator. I'll just copy this one. I'll just paste over here. Just format it once. So yeah, just done this one. This is it for the HTML. Next, what we'll be doing is, we'll be writing the style. So 1 second. I'll just give this one ID of text. Also what I'll do, so before writing the styles, I'll just create the, let's check once. For that one, I have installed an extension called live server. So what it does is, if we make the changes in HTML, it will get directly reflected on the browser. So this will be very helpful. For this one, I'll just open the index.html, right click, and I'll just click on the open with live server. So I'll just close this one. Initially we are getting this one, the text. And what we can do now is, so in the JavaScript, what we have to do is, so if I select this one, so the text has to get highlighted. That's what we have to do using the JavaScript. I'll just create the JavaScript file, index.js. I'll include that one in HTML. So for that one, what I'll do is just make use of script. Index.js. So I have included the JavaScript file using the script tag. Next, what I'll be doing is, let's start writing the JavaScript code. Initially, what we'll do, we'll just get the references to the HTML elements. Just comment it out and write get references to the HTML elements. So I'll just make use of const text container. What I'll make use of is document dot get element by ID. I'll just take the ID name from div, right? Just make use of this one. Then give the variable name text. I'll just make use of document dot get element by ID again. And this time I'll be making use of ID, this one, text. Okay, next step, what we'll be doing, we have to listen for mouse up event with the text container. I'll just comment it out and write listen for the mouse up event within text container. For this, what we'll be doing, we'll just be writing text container. We'll be adding the event listener. We'll make use of mouse up function. So next what we have to do, we have to get the selected text and trim white spaces, right? That we'll be doing. I'll just be commenting it out and writing get selected text and trim the white space. How we'll do that? We'll make use of the variable selection, and I'll make use of window dot get selection to string and also use trim. This is one thing. Next, what we have to do is we have to check if the text is selected. For that one, I'll just comment it out and write if the text is selected. So I'll make use of the condition. It has to be selection, right? If it is not equal to empty string, then we'll just create a regular expression for the selected text. How we'll do it? We'll make use of the selected text make use of selection as well as fee, right? Next, we have to create the HTML markup. For what? For highlighting the selected text, right? For that one, I'll just write HTML markup how we can do it. I'll just take the variable name highlighted text. I'll just consider the template literals. I'll make use of the span tag. I'll give the class name highlight. And I'll make use of selection, right? Okay, just close the span tag. So next what we have to do, we'll just replace the selected text with the highlighted text. So that's the last step. We'll just replace the selected text with the highlighted text. So how we can achieve that? I'll just be making use of text along with the inner HTML. So again, we'll be making use of text.inner HTML. What we'll be doing? Replace that one with, there will be two parameters. One thing, the selected text has to be replaced with the highlighted text. So this is it. This is it for the JavaScript. So we'll make one more thing. Like here, one second. Yeah. We'll just give the, did I miss something? We'll just write the style for the highlighted text. I'll just make use of highlight and I'll just give the background color yellow. So what we'll do is we'll go to the index.html. We'll click on open with live server. Now what we can do is, so right now nothing is happening. We'll check where we have missed. So what we have done is, I didn't link the style sheet. Let's link the style sheet and give the path style CSS. So let's check again. Yeah, now the text is getting highlighted. So I want to highlight the particular word or particular letter, you can do it. Like if I want to just highlight the remaining essentially unchanged, I can just do it. 1 second, what is wrong? Yeah, double click you have to. Yeah, it is working completely fine and it works perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.